Hey everybody, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. If this is your first time watching the channel, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you feel it's necessary, or if you like it, or whatever. Anyways, so I'm working on my 2017 Chevy Volt. I'm installing one of the illuminated charge doors here. So this is the factory GM part. You can see here, that's your part number. Something. I don't know. Anyways, so it comes with, well, no instructions. It says installation instructions are available somewhere else, which is really useful when you're installing something with basically a couple bolts, 2 wires, and no instructions. So this will be fun. So I'm going to assume here we got to take this thing off. So give me a minute, I can figure this out. This piece, you just pry up along the outside edge of it and it just pops out. Fish the wiring through the drain hole and push it all the way in. And slide this in place. Now if the charge port door is on, I gotta drag those other wires all the way back up. Well, because I'm smart and I didn't do this ahead of time, so I pull out these T15 Torx screws that hold on the wheel well liner so I can track down my wire, and then grabbed it from up here, fed it along here, and it goes all the way up through here, and it's going to attach to that. Well, apparently there's 3 different ways to do this. It's dumb. So mine is a late 16, early 17 edition. So I need to remove this second white connector here, which is pin 11, and then pin 8, which is the plug right here. I already got this disconnected a little bit, so I'm going to have to push that out from this side and then pull that white one out. On the body side, there is a pin 8 right there, but there is no pin 11. So it wants me to move pin 7 to pin 11. Well, instead of rewiring half the car, because the instructions are stupid, I pulled this black section off and then pulled the black plug right here. Yeah, just pull that black plug off of the end of that and just push it straight through. The blue thing on the inside of it is flexible rubber, and you just push it straight through until it clicks, and then push this white section back down to lock everything back in place. Then I'm going to wrap this back in the electrical tape after I pulled off all the rest of it to clean this up, and then plug it back in, and hopefully it'll work. Wrap that wiring loom with fresh electrical tape. Again, this is the 2 wires you need, the black wire and that connector, and that blue and white wire in this top 8 connector. So I run along here, all along the frame. So all the way up through here, all the way back, zip tied in place. Pretty simple install for that. The modification here, just taking out that plug, is way easier than the instructions of rewiring half the other body plug and messing around with that. It doesn't make any sense why you want to do that. Hopefully this helps you. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe to stay tuned for more of these videos and DIYs, and I'll see you on the next one.